you guys with a video that you probably aren't used to seeing me do, but I wanted to go ahead and do this video for two reasons. One, because I wanted to be the first to introduce y'all to that new-ish that's coming, and two, this brand that I'm going to be showing you guys is my little sister's brand. So I'm super excited. She's been working so hard on getting this launch date, or getting the stuff ready for the lunch. So the brand that I am going to be showing you guys is called Unieke Fashion. It is, of course, going to be a clothing line, and it is coming October 17th, 2020. So mark your calendars, and I'm also going to put all of the links and all of that good stuff in the description box so you guys will know where to find this brand. So what I want to be doing in this video today is doing a unboxing, show you guys the clothing and how it's going to come and all of that good stuff. So this is the bag that is going to be coming in, and I'm going to go ahead and snip it open so we can go through the clothes. You guys know I love pretty packaging, so you know, she did a very good job at making sure the packaging is pretty for you guys. So when you open it up, you'll see it's wrapped up in the tissue paper. When you open it up, it comes like this with the tissue paper, and it has a thank you card as well, and it says, hold on, let me let y'all see. So this is a thank you card that will be coming inside of the packaging for you guys that place orders, and it says, hello beautiful, thank you for your support, signed Leah, that's my sister's name, and hashtag made to stand out. It's taped together with a thank you sticker, and it's taped together with a thank you sticker of the clothing. And so now I'm going to rip this bad boy apart so you guys can see the clothes. Got a couple pieces. I'm also going to try these pieces on so you can see how it fit on my body. If you have my body structure or body type, you'll be able to see what the outfits will look like on me and or someone with my body type. So the clothes come nicely folded, and you know, we got a little tag here that says Unieke Fashion. So this is the tag that comes on the clothing. All of the clothing will have the tag that says Unieke Fashion on it, and also it'll have the size on the back with also a warning on the back of the tag as well. I thought this was really cute to put a tag on the clothing, you know, just to personalize the brand so people will know where they got their clothes from. If they wanted to share this with someone, they could look at the tag if they may forget or whatever the case may be, and see exactly where it came from. So I thought this was really cute for her to add on there. Really beautiful. So this first piece is basically a cute, comfy, like everyday outfit that you can wear, like if you're going to the mall, a family outing, or whatever the case may be. This shirt just says today's outfit is an oversized t-shirt and sneakers. So I like comfy clothes because I really don't like to get dressed up too often. So I really think this is going to be one of my faves to put on with some sneakers, because this is like something quick and easy to put on if you're going to the store real quick, and like I said, if you're going to like a family outing. Really cute. I got a size small in this shirt, and like it's an oversized shirt, so it's pretty big because it's supposed to be an oversized shirt, but I got a small in this particular shirt. And then these are the pants to go with the shirt. I got a medium in these because I have a bigger bottom than my top. Like I said, this will probably be one of my favorites because it's something easy to put on to just get up and go. Second piece is this outfit here. This is more of like a dressy up outfit. Maybe if you're going to a brunch with your girls, this is something cute to put on for sure. Even if you're going out in general, this is something cute to put on. And if you want to, you could dress it up or dress it down. Honestly, if you put this with some flats or something like that, you can put this, you can wear this as a dress down outfit. If you want to go to like the mall or something like that too. But that's the good thing about this, is you can dress it up however you would like. And this is a size medium, and this shirt here that I have, and this is what it looks like. It has ties to go in the back, and it's like a open back area as well. So that's the shirt. And then the bottoms that go with that top is some long pants here. Really, really cute, really, really comfy. I got a size small in this, which I probably, no, this is fine. So this one I got a small in because these kind of run a little bit big. So I got a small in this one compared to the other one because those are like tights. So yeah. And she has some jeans. I already tried these jeans on when she first got them, for starters, and I absolutely love these jeans because for me, I find it hard with my body type to find jeans that fit me on my waist and on my bottom because I have a tiny waist and a bigger bottom. So these are great for people with my body type for sure. And these jeans here, they're just plain jeans that you can wear, dress them up however you want. I definitely recommend that you have like some plain jeans in your closet because for one, you could just put anything with some jeans. Like if you have a nice pair of jeans, you're set. So these, I have a size 9 in these. And like I said, I'll try these on so you guys can see how they fit on me exactly. But these are the jeans. One set of jeans. And then this is another set of jeans. They're ripped jeans. I like ripped jeans as well because it's just a little fashionable. If you don't want to wear plain jeans, you can get some ripped jeans, and these are really, really cute. And in these I have a size 9 as well. So those are my pieces. And I just can't wait so y'all can see how these jeans fit on me. Like, they hug really, really nicely and fit very well. Like, very, very well. So this is the last piece that I'm going to show you guys. It's another cute, comfy, everyday wear. It has a back opening. Definitely feel like this will be good, especially since the fall time. Like, you can have something, it's kind of on the thicker end, so I feel like it can keep you warm with the windiness of the fall, but also keep you cool since it's gonna be kind of hot, especially where I am in Florida. The weather is kind of all over the place. So this is definitely something cute and comfy that you could throw on if you're going to the mall or a family gathering or anything like that. I'm going to put on these pieces so you guys can see how these pieces look on my body, and just so you guys can get a visual of what they look like on the